Hello all. In this video, I'll show you how auto-calculate quantity in work order process works. You can now adjust the quantity of a FG to be produced from a work order automatically based on stock present in your inventory. So for that, you have to go to production module and open a work order page. So for example, if you want to select this particular work order, which I've already created an OC for it. So I'm selecting the particular work order and I'm selecting start processes. So here you can see the quantity that to be produced against the work order is 10, but you can see the current stock of this particular item is already available for 5. So it is not necessary that you want to produce all the 10 quantities for a particular work order. If based on your requirement, you can change it. So if you want to produce the quantity, remaining quantity of an item means you can use this calculate adjust quantity option. So if you select this means automatically my quantity changes into 5 because my overall FG to be produced is 10, but already 5 is available in my inventory for this particular FG. So 5 is available already, and only remaining 5 if I produce means this particular order confirmation will be completed. So based on this, you can use this auto calculate option. So I hope this auto calculate option is useful for your production team as well. I hope this video finds helpful for you. Thank you.